Welcome, middle school science world. Today we are doing a frog dissection here at Los Tules Middle School. So I'm going to walk you around the class, let you see what the students are doing, and you get to see a lot of their quality teamwork and discovery occurring. Okay, so this table, we have a nice internal cut. These two gentlemen are currently trying to identify the internal organs of our frog.
Yeah, these two do.
So we have one of our best teams here. You can see they are being very aggressive, digging in there, not being shy, and exploring the internal organs of our frogs. Maybe go a little bit higher with that cut, and it makes it easier to fold it back. Okay, we got another great team over here. These guys did a really good cut. You can see they've actually cut out some of the intestinal tract.
Yeah.
To help showcase the internal organs. All right, so were you guys able to determine if this was a male or female?
Yeah, it's a male.
It's a male? And how did you determine that it was a male versus female?
Like, there's supposed to be like some eggs right here.
That's right.
It's not.
All right, good job, good job. Okay, so I'm moving over, and you can see we have two gentlemen who are starting to work their way through the initial incision down the middle. Okay, so you guys did a good job separating the skin. Now you got to cut right through that muscle. Okay, start from the bottom, work your way up, gentlemen. Okay, good. Ooh, look at all that frog juice.
There was so much juice in there.
Okay, what you're doing is good. Go ahead, if you need to, make another cut. But make sure you take the opportunity with the probe and identify all the internal organs. That's what we're focusing on here, is learning those internal organs. Okay, so these two definitely have made a good cut. And they're at the point where they're slowly working through the identification of the internal organs. Okay. So what do you guys think, male or female? Definitely a male? How do you know it's a male?
Because he has no eggs.
All right, good, good. Let me take a look. Back up.
Oh, I had.
Hey, you guys did a nice job securing that. I like that. So I would actually cut the skin off the legs and look at the muscles. Yes, very thick. So what do we got over here? Ooh. So they're working on getting that mouth open. So right here on the jaw, that hinge point right there, if you cut right there, it'll make it easy so you can open it up. What you have is those, same thing with our jaws. That tendon is pulling down tight, clamped. You got to cut it to make it so you can open the jaw. Then once you've got it open, go ahead, look at the tongue, and take your finger or your thumb and feel the top and bottom of the mouth so you can feel the teeth. Don't be shy. Ooh, look at this. Got some quality note-taking occurring. I love seeing that, which make the post-lab activity much easier. So, we've got a nice open specimen here, and they're working on towards sketching the internal organs and identifying them. Good job, you two. Okay, so I've got Team Destructo here. It looks like they've removed all the internal organs, which is fine, but you gentlemen need to take the opportunity to identify those internal organs that you just removed. Okay? Use your dissection guide. Follow through. Because that is what the post-lab activity is going to be, on your ability to identify the internal organs and to tell me whether or not it's male or female. What do they look like? So I'd like to give a shout out to Carolina Dissection Kits. They were actually amazingly able to get these kits delivered to me prior to Halloween, when I was originally expecting them to show up after Christmas. So I really appreciate them putting the extra effort in and getting these kits to me so that we can make this a fun Halloween activity. Okay, so I'm going to sign off here from Los Tules Middle School. Welcome. Thank you for joining us. Okay. Happy Halloween.